I want to copy this URL, so share it and embed it inside my web page. So I have just clicked the embedded, got this code, copied it. Use this code inside a video object, and then I checked it in the reach result test and I found there are errors. Now the reason is when I given the video object, the problem is with the video. So when I given there are 1 warning 4 errors. Now I realize that this 4 data or 5 values we have to give. Now all these values are available with YouTube only. You can have to just fetch it and create a template or create a code. So we'll see how we'll do that. Came to YouTube and copied this URL, then written a small code using that Google API and pasted the URL here and go. So now the code is available. This code has that video object here. You can see the video object, all the meta descriptions in the name, embedded URL, updated upload date, thumbnail URL and description, all are available. So these things when we will try now to put it in our web page and upload it and test again. Next time when we checked it again, there is no issue. It is qualified, and you can see the videos is here, all the details whatever we fetched from that video object, the name, embedded URL, uploaded date, thumbnail, description, everything is there. So now this code we have written in PHP, so you can just copy that code. We'll discuss more about that. Visit this URL available in the description, scroll down a bit, come to the first part. Here we have just displayed a form here. The code is only to display the form and take the user input, and this user input, once the form is submitted, we will capture it in the variable URL. So here you can see that directly we can, to test it without a form, you can use this, uncomment it, and this will be the URL what you have copied from your YouTube shared click. Now you can see the important part is the ID part. Video ID is given here. Now this part you will be extracting. So what you will do, will use the explode function of PHP. We use the slash as delimiter, and the third, this command will get, this function will return us with the array with 3 elements. The last element or the third element will contain this video ID part. So that part I will get it, and we have stored it in a variable video ID. So that's all. That is the main part what we will be extracting from our URL or the shared link. Now come down. Here you have only, though the code looks little longer, but only thing you have to do is, up to this, only thing you have to do is put your API key here. Get the API key from the Google. The link is there at the top. So get the API key. Before that, if you want to test it once, you can remove this part, uncomment it. So video ID will take it directly from this as a sample ID and run this code. This code of course is not that complex. There is a path is created here, then we get the data, JSON data from the in JSON format from the YouTube. Now these variables we create it. Now I just used a random number at the end, just so it should not mix up this code with my own code what I'll be putting it inside lot of script. So I just make the variable name as lengthy and as unique as possible. You can give your own names also. Using these variables, these are title, upload date, embedded URL, thumbnail URL and description. These are the minimum 5 things required for our snip result to get clear the test. So finally using that we will have this str here, or a blank string we have created, and if video ID, there is a if command which checks whether video ID is available or not. That's the second line, this line here. So this command, if it is there, then this str data we filled with all the variables, values, whatever we have taken, and finally generated. If it is not there, str will be blank. That is the first time when the page loads. So this, when the str is filled with all the variables with different nothing, only the string formatting with the span, meta tags and all we have added, and each place we have placed the variables here. So this is the for the upload date, now simple thumbnail URL, and we have used the same iframe what YouTube gives you to embed your code. Now using that str, we'll put it in inside a text area. You can easily copy it. So that's all. This code you can use it, and definitely you are this, you can check the test also. There is the link is there. You can embed this code and check it once, and it will definitely going to work. Now this minimum 5 data we have taken from YouTube, we can extend it to take more data and push it into a store. That we will explore next.